You know, most of us spend a lot of our time on the ground, in cars, walking around. Hi, I'm Dave Morris. We miss out on a lot of the sights that are visible only from a little bit above the ground.
Hi, I'm Heather Leanne, and welcome to Bird's Eye View.
The world is full of sights that can only be appreciated from the air. Let us take you up and show you some of nature's wonders. We'll show you some of the things man has created to look up into the sky, and some of the things that man has created to be seen from the sky. Some areas of this great country that can only be reached by a small plane. Some things that are so remote most people will never get a chance to see them. There are mountains that stick up out of the ground, and there are giant craters that go down deep into the ground. We'll show you what it looks like from the ground and from the air. And if you're an aviation buff, we've got all kinds of great footage of takeoffs and landings in unusual places, inside cockpit video, and all sorts of other goodies. And then we'll bring you home safely. So buckle up and get ready to see things from a bird's eye view.